Hello guys, welcome back to Funcation.
So let us now unbox our Red Cable Club merchandise bag. Here we go with OnePlus band, which is black in color. It has got some cool, amazing features like SpO2 monitoring, 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, and many more. And here we go with a OnePlus 9 Pro, co-powered with Hasselblad. It comes with Qualcomm software, and you can also see that the box has been upgraded to complete red box. On purchasing an extended warranty, I have got this OnePlus Never Settle notebook set. In this set, I got two diaries, one a mini red colored diary and another one was a rule notebook in black color.
Hope you all liked this video. For more amazing and interesting content, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it.